Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be taking you all to my Sunday reset. And we have some things on the agenda that we need to do today. For instance, cleaning up my room, but like not a deep clean. Get ready for church, obviously. Church, maybe fellowship if we're staying longer, and then going home, resting, whatever. So I'm gonna take you guys along when it comes to that, and then yeah. Well, first of all, we on TVH, look in the room. It's a huge mess, but I think I will start with cleaning up the clothes, because mostly it's just like clothes lying around like literally everywhere, and then we'll see which has to go into like the wash and whatnot. Yeah. So the next step is to like pick up like all the wrappers and stuff. So we'll do that real quick, and then I can move on, so I at least know which places are free and which are not. Bro, that was a workout. It was. It feels like I want to change my clothes again, but like, it's fine. Talk like about some goals and wishes regarding this account. I really hope my vlogging style gets better, like my videos in general get better. Like the editing, I actually like got it down to the point kind of. But I just really hope that like my content is like more aesthetic and so on. It's like really realistic right now, you know. But I think that's like also something that could make me stand out from all the other creators. But I'm not the type of person who wants to like go one against one. Like I just want to do my thing and so on and so on. And yeah, so I really hope that it gets more aesthetic. Obviously that the account grows, but I also film much more content, and I'm more open to film more content, but I always need new content ideas. And I just hope that overall, like by the end of the year, maybe in the best case, we reach like 1,000 subscribers, 1,500. But like, yeah, I've been like on my vision board that I want to have 10K on Instagram. I don't know how I'm gonna make that, but we'll see. But the DJI that I wanted is already successful. Yeah, I need to get a journal. I wanted to start journaling, and we're like in March, and I still haven't started. That's crazy. But I'll probably like do the whole journaling preparations on another day. Maybe we could do that together. But yeah, I just thought I would share with you my goals, so I'll be like a little more transparent. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill because we have to like leave in 1 hour, like around like 4:44, no, 8:44 or 9:04. It doesn't matter, but I think we'll go 8:44. So I'll get ready in like 10 minutes exactly. But I'm also thinking about if I should change my outfit or not. But I don't know. I can't predict the weather. Like actually, it's supposed to be 15 degrees today. But I'll just see. Like, literally, guys. Today I'm filming this, so like it's Sunday, obviously. The first video of mine is coming out, bro. I'm so tired though. I'm low-key happy that I got it done, but now I'm thinking when I'm uploading, because I like filmed the kind of like mukbang-ish video, but I don't really feel like posting it because it's not the best. And yeah, so we have to leave like in around about like 20 minutes. Okay, while we're waiting for that to dry, just know I'm done, but I'll get back to you guys when we're on the way. See you later. Yeah. Alexis and I are in church now. So we have like this prayer and then we'll see after church or little snippets during church. But yes.
Everybody wants to be visible. Everything shouts. Ist sichtbar bist, hast du dich geschafft. Eine Veranstaltung von Living Med Institute. Family in the likeness of. Hey guys!
Das ist wichtig. So I'm on the way to go meet my friend. My vlog is up in like 7 minutes, so I'm glad about that. My battery's almost dead from my DJI. I should have like taken the adapter along with me, but I did not, so I hope it won't die till the end of the day. But yeah, I'm kind of tired, not gonna lie. Or maybe I'll just charge my DJI with my phone. To matcha place because today is International Women's Day. So happy International Women's Day to all lovely women out there. I know I will post like 1 week later, but that's fine. Exactly. So they give out like free drinks of your choice. So I'm so happy. Maybe they'll like give us a little more, but we'll see. Waiting for like 20, 25, 30 minutes and we're like here and the thing like ends in like 5 minutes. I don't know if they're like still gonna give us matchas or not, but like we'll see. We didn't make it, but we got like stamp cards that we just get it for free this week. Yeah. My phone is about to die, but I'm like almost home, so I think I will end it here, guys. It was so nice taking you along. Not gonna lie, it wasn't a reset, bro. I'm worn out, I'm worked out, I'm tired. I was like supposed to chill, but I'll just start editing this, start working on the thumbnail, and then I'll see you guys next time. I'm thinking about like filming a Q&A video, so comment down below if you guys are like in the mood for that or not. And yeah, I think I'll probably go to sleep around like 11 or like 12, but love you guys so much. Bye bye.